Okay, y'all, I'm back again. Got this motorcycle camera bracket by Motowolf. Put it on the bike, and as you can see, right here, this guy is on there pretty sturdy. Sorry about the shaky camera. Yeah, it's on there. They give you two different size bottom brackets right here. And man, I tell you, that thing is nice. And I also got, to take you around this other side here, kemimoto drink holder. As you can see, it's got a clamp on the back there. Clamp on the back. And then it's got a clamp under here. And you just loosen him up. Loosen him up. And you can push him back, forward, as much as you want. And then you just tighten him back down. Make sure he's good and tight. And there you go. So yeah, that's it. Got the kemimoto drink holder and the camera bracket. You guys tell me what you think.